So what we have here is a Salmon Creek Farms prime rib of pork. And this is one of my favorite recipes. What I love about this cut of meat is it's a center loin cut. If you compare it to prime rib of beef, you're looking at a fraction of the cost. And the last time that I did make this recipe, one of the gentlemen that was at my dinner says that by far the best pork he's ever had. What I've done is I've taken olive oil and I've spread the olive oil over the whole prime rib. Take a crushed garlic, put the crushed garlic all the way through until it covers the whole roast. And then I take a little bit of crushed peppercorns, salt, and thyme, and do the same thing just so it covers the whole prime rib. What this does is it actually gives it a nice crust, and a lot of times people just eat the crust off the pork as well. And then it's going to go in the oven, sear for about 20 minutes at 450 degrees. We're going to lower the temperature to about 275, and then we're going to slow cook it for about 2 to 2.5 hours to where it reaches an internal temperature of 150. Once it hits that temperature of 150, we pull it out and we're going to let it rest for about 30 minutes. And that helps seal in the juices. And then after it rests, we're going to carve it and serve it.